Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Leonard Beach's Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto markets. Oh, it's Tuesday, April 23rd, 2024, at 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Water. How are you doing, guys? What's going on, Wave Gang? It's going to be a good one. We're going to be streaming because that's what we do here. We stream. I've got my handy dandy notebook. It says Tuesday. We do a Monday review. Can't do that because I wasn't here. We go over economic data, and we cover some news, and we do some charts. That is what I'm supposed to do as far as my plans. Good morning, Blackie Chan. Good morning, L. Jones. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys. All right, so fear and greed, we're sitting at a 65, okay? Sitting at a 65. That's what does it say? It says greed. It says we're greedy, but not extremely greedy. How many of you think that we need to go over to the orange part before we can move forward? I don't think so. I think maybe middle of the neutral. But what would that mean? What would we need? We would need another dip. We would need another dip. Are we going to get another dip? I don't know. We could talk about that today. Bitcoin. Justin Eubanks. There he is. Wave gang. Lunar ticks. Lunar ticks. It's just so close to Luna. Terra Luna, you know? Yo, BCL Jones. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Trying to get back into the swing of things. I've missed a few days. Yeah. Bitcoin had the halving. Okay. Everybody's kind of like surprised that nothing crazy happened. Well, it's the halving, guys. Like, I don't know some mathematical stuff, computational stuff changed, and that's it. I was thinking yesterday, I was thinking, what if this is a Ponzi and I'm just not smart enough to see it? Well, I'm still going to make money off the Ponzi while I can. We'll see. I believe in it. But there's some arguments to be made. I don't know. JK. Rolling. Moving on. Let's just go to the charts. Primary thesis. We're here. It's TA Tuesday. We do TA around here, okay? High end of orange or neutral for another push. Probably. The main thesis is playing out okie day. I'm kind of not sure if we're going to get another sweep of the lows or not. That's the one thing. Now, this wouldn't be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if we did get another sweep of the lows. But following that, I would expect a 5-wave impulse if we were to come down and sweep the lows again or once more. Take out this low here. Finally, give me what I want. And maybe it's coming. Or maybe we just keep on moving to the upside. So for a while now, spot has been trading at a premium, which just means that they changed the watch list thing. Let's see. Futures, we got 66,250 trading home. Let's see, 66 300, 305 on Coinbase. But if spot's trading at a premium, that just means that the spot price is higher than the futures price. So, good morning, beaches. Good morning, dark much. Good morning, dark much. Darth much. Darth Dutch. Some kind of new Star Wars thing. Mark Dutch. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Merp. 901. 9017. You're just 90 now? You were like 9017. I don't even know. We got a red dot on the 4 hour. That could bring us down sometime. Let's go to another chart. Get away from these schematics here. These schematicus apparatus. I need caffeine, but I'm trying not to do that. All right, so we do have this trend going on here, so we want to hold this trend line here. What we look for, or what I would be looking for, is a bounce off of the trend line. That's what I would want to see. However, if we do come down and break it, then I would look for a retest, a break of the trend line, and then a retest, a bearish retest for me to enter a short, right? So that's what I would be looking for on the short side. It's just a break of the trend line and then a retest of the trend line and then go short. Especially if we put in, if our momentum wave comes back up and we come down or whatever, and then we get a nice bearish divergence in there. As we come up and take out this liquidity over here to our left, which we can see nice area of liquidity here. You know, you got a bunch of down candles in a row, bunch of the same color candles. Usually means there's some liquidity there. Yeah, especially if they're moving with haste. Typically, it's a sign of liquidity. Please hit the like. It's the #1 way to support the channel, if you don't mind. Thank you very much. Trying to make this my my day job. Not this, but telling you to hit the like. That's my day job. Hey, hit the like, please. Pay me $10 and hit the like. Give me $10 and hit the like. No, I don't want that. Let's see. All right. Let's go down to the 15-minute. See what we're looking at here. We got money flow coming out. Momentum is to the downside. We do have a bullish divergence with the snake eyes in here. Okay. So we could see a little bit of an up move today. But let's see if we can see if we have any levels above or below us. Let's start with the SVP, which is the session volume profile. Do we have any? So we do have a naked point of control below us at 63,977. Good morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Congratulations on winning the cast contest, sir. Speaking of which, we haven't gone over that. Did I delete everybody's? I think I did. I deleted them all. I came within $500. I really won, but Sniper came the closest without going over. Congratulations to you, man. When you double up that money, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just kidding. Let's see. So yeah, we do have that point of control down here. So that would be a price target if I was to go short today at any point. I would consider this as a target. Let's get rid of that. Let's put on market cipher A. Ooh. Okay, so we do have a blood diamond here, and we are bearishly back testing the EMAs at this very moment. Let's see if we got anything else here. Just above here, we do have a liquidity zone with a lot of buy orders. The delta is 11 Bitcoin, which means there were more buyers and sellers in this area here, which actually is a little more bearish than you think, because you have more buyers than sellers, but the price still came down. So it means that the sells were outweighing the buys. Yeah, had a good birthday. Thanks. Oh yeah, yesterday was Sniper's birthday. Everybody say happy late birthday to Sniper. Yep. Back to working on the van today, says Sniper. Good on you. Good on you. So our VWAP is kind of see, it's just hovering around the 0 line. So I don't really care for that. I really don't care for that, you know, man. I just really don't care for that, bruh. That's how I should talk all the time. It's the beach theme. Hey, it's the beach theme. Hey, I don't really care about that, bruh. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. We just hit the waves and we get so pitted. Bruh. We get so pitted. Yeah, man. Possible short ski here. Possible short ski. Where was that naked point of control? Let's turn that back on. All the way down here. Could we see this pullback today? Absolutely. Absolutely. It is Tuesday. I don't like Tuesdays. Tuesdays are typically, sometimes, maybe most of the time, the majority of the time, maybe they're down days. Sounded like a valley girl, like gag me with the spoon. Oh Lord, get so pitted. Well, valley girls are over there in the valley, you know, by the ocean, you know. I don't know. I should probably start having caffeine before I do the show. The stream. Caffeine before the stream. Let's see. You know, I don't know. I think, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we did come up here and saw a rejection. However, we do have some equal highs up here, which is a little bit of something that I considered that we could come and poke our heads above. Is this the absolute height of this? So this is Chart Prime's. They got a new update. This is the liquidity zones and the market dynamics. It's pretty cool stuff. I'm still, testing it out. And it says the delta is 0 here. That's pretty wild. 50-50 Bitcoin. That's interesting. So let's see. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if we got any other levels. VWAP is above us. So naturally, price is going to be attracted to the VWAP. Looks like Bitcoin is trying to get a little push here. We are above the 0 line on our momentum waves. Our above the pushing is above the 0 line. This could push to the upside. I would be looking for some type of divergence in here as it comes up to these levels at about 66.5 to 66.6 ish. So I would be looking for that, looking for some type of rejection there. If it continues higher, I would just wait and see if we get some kind of like maybe a swing failure pattern. Maybe it pokes its head above and then comes down and then curls up, and then maybe you can take a short there. Something to consider, but I am not favoring anything right now, to be honest with you, because we are still at the lows. So let's go ahead and zoom back out. We're still sitting at the lows here. We're still kind of just chopping about. Really difficult for me to tell whether or not we're going to continue higher. We've got to break some significant levels. I mean, we did break this high, but then we got an immediate push down, right? So that's technically a swing failure pattern. We failed to take the high here. We failed to close above it. So we're looking for some candles to get up here and close above this high and then this high, and ultimately get above all of these so that we can move on higher. Now, this might have been enough. I still think that we still have a chance of taking the highs and then coming back down and running down and taking the lows. I still think we have that chance. So would not be surprised if this happened. So just be prepared if it does. That's what I gotta say. If that happens, it's not the end of the world. I do believe, well, let's bring that back up. I do believe that, if we were to get this, we need to be prepared for this part, really this whole part right here. Be prepared for this to happen. It's possible. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. But once we get above here, get above the highs and take them out, don't be surprised or panic if this happens. Don't think it's the end of Bitcoin if this happens. Okay? Just understand that this was expected and we're just coming down, clearing the lows, and then we can move to the upside. I would expect continuation to the upside. So just keep in mind, Bitcoin doesn't die if it does this, okay? It's completely normal, completely healthy, whatever kind of words you want to attach to it. It's just normal. It would be completely okay. Looks like a no trade day today. Probably more opportunities around Wednesday night, Thursday morning. You're probably right. Because what I really don't like is when we do some grinding up like this. Because this just looks like it's manufactured liquidity to make you think we're going long. And then really, this kind of does look like a bear flag. But it could also be a V bottom, right? Could be a V bottom. But it kind of does look kind of bear flaggish a little bit. I'd wait till economic data drops before trading Thursday. GDP is being announced. Yes. Let's go ahead and go over and take a look and see what we've got going. I know I'm pretty sure there's something today. Yeah. Bunch of stuff today. Well, there was a bunch of stuff in Europe at least. With the euro. Flash manufacturing PMI at 9:45 today. 9:45 a.m. New home sales. It's low impact. But tomorrow and Thursday, tomorrow's nothing. Thursday we do have the GDP and unemployment claims. So that's actually a big day. There's going to be a lot of movement here on Thursday. Probably. I say that and it's probably not going to do anything. But it might do something initially at 8:30. And then for a second, and then it'll stall out, and then it'll wait for New York open, and then it'll continue to do something. So, yeah, I always tend to wait. Sometimes A lot of the times, the first move is the false move, so you got to be careful. What are we looking at on our open interest? Open interest is still low, man. I actually really love that. So with the open interest being low and our spot premium being higher, and us being in a spot premium with our spot price being higher than our futures contracts, that suggests to me that Bitcoin is being loaded up and bought up and accumulated on spot, not really on futures. Futures aren't driving this upwards price action right now. It is spot. It is accumulation of actual Bitcoin. So that's actually a very bullish sign that we definitely want to see. What's that one website? What's that one website where they give you the on-chain data? I used to have it. I don't look at half this stuff anymore. Oh my goodness, what's Glassnode? That's what it is. I knew it was Glassnode. What's up with like CoinGlass, Glassnet? What's up with the glass? Anybody know? Glassnode, as seen on. Of course, you got to pay for this crap. All I want, go to the studio, I think. So I like to come over here to see, not Block Explorer. Silly man. Great day to spend my time on other things. Yes. There you go, Mark Dutch. Like, sit in chats all day. On-chain activity. That's what I want to see. This is nice to look at because typically, if you start seeing a lot of Bitcoin being, excuse me. Whoa. If you start seeing a lot of Bitcoin being sent to the exchanges, that typically means whales are getting ready to sell. Not the indicator of the website. You ever watch the CVD? I never use any of them. Not the indicator of the website. There's a CVD website. Nope. Never heard of it. On-chain activity. This isn't what it used to be. I haven't been here in so long. This is unfortunate. Why do you gotta pay for this stuff? I mean, I get it. Let's see if CoinGlass has anything. Sorry, I'm boring you to death. I know. It's alright. It's alright. We're gonna make it together. We're gonna make it. Alright. Does this one have on-chain data? Data? Whoa. Grayscale investors in GBTC, Bitcoin treasuries, Bitcoin dominance, stablecoin market cap. Nope. On-chain alert? No. On-chain data. I just want to see if coins are going onto the exchange, man. Ah, well, who cares? Liquidation heat map. Which is, by the way, a predictive model. In short, it predicts the price levels at which large-scale liquidation events may occur. So this is a prediction model. We have 55 million worth of liquidity, possibly, sitting above us at $67,357. We are currently sitting above a bunch of liquidity here so that we could see a dip down into. That is possible. If we go ahead and zoom out, we can go to the 3-month and we can see where things are possibly stacking up. I want to say possibly because ever since I read that this predicts the price levels at which large-scale liquidation events may occur, I realize that this isn't pulling data from anywhere. It is, or I mean, it's pulling data from somewhere, but it's not like legitimate. This is where, I don't know. I don't know how it does it, but the heat is above us. So that's why I believe that we will see this price move up before it comes back down. I believe that. Now, does that mean we could come back down before we go up? Yes. But I believe we go up before we come back down. If we even come back down. David, I can share a video about the CVD from Cohen's Trading in your Discord if you like. Sure. Sure. Did he hit 10K? I saw people trying to push him above 10K. 10,000 subs. Pretty cool stuff. Cumulative volume delta. Yeah, you go ahead, post that in the Discord. That's fine. If anybody wants to learn about CVD, and you think that's a good place to start, cool, fine with me. I don't care. Funding rates are positive, so that's showing that traders are more bullish on price than bearish. That's what? Yeah, 10.2K already. That's awesome. Man, I can't wake up. I mean, I'm awake, but my brain is no thanky. Brain foggy. Beautiful. All right, so what are we looking at here? Are we looking at a possible head and shoulders pattern playing out in here where we have this is Bitcoin. Anything else? Y'all want me to look at anything else? Let's look at something else. I'm tired of looking at Bitcoin. Let's go to the Dixie. What's the Dixie doing? Dixie had a nice little drop. I guess at open. Let's see. When was this? This was probably some Euro news. So we had a nice little drop here. Let's go to the Euros. Did it have a little pump up? Yep, look at that. Had a nice little pump up there. Swept the highs. Let's see. Is this going to... Did it sweep all the way? Yep, sure did. Swept the highs. Oh, man. So would not be surprised to see the Euro move up a little bit and then continue downwards. And, of course, with the Dixie, that means maybe we move down a little bit. And then we move upwards. And then on Bitcoin, that means we move up a little bit. And then we move downwards. Essentially, that's it. That's the one. That's the one. That would be cool. That would be really cool if we did all that. Morning, friends. Morning, Chef Meister. What's going on, brother? Use CVD to confirm price movements, identify divergences between price and volume, or detect potential reversals or continuations in the market. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Chef's kiss. Ay. What are we doing over here on the Bitcoin dominance front? Let's go ahead and zoom the heck out. Getting some support on the 55 percentile. Zoom out even further, please. Daily. There we go. Now we can really see. Oh, man. Nice bullish back test. Why am I lying here? There we go. Bullish back test. Get it. All right. Let's see a bounce on our dominance. Let's see our altcoin market go crashing down. 6 o'clock. See our altcoin market come crashing down. We do have a little bit of a liquidity down here that we could come and tag on our altcoin market. However, I don't know that we are going to do that. I don't know that we're going to come all the way down here. That would be a significant loss for the altcoin market. However, I wouldn't be surprised if it did it. because it is the alts. And who knows? Who freaking knows? Let me show you guys something. So I've got some secret levels, okay? You want to see my secret levels? Here's my secret levels. Here's my secret levels. Wait, that's a lot of lines. Yes, I know. I know it's a lot of lines. But if we go down to the 15-minute or the 5-minute even, and we zoom in, then we can see reactions to these levels. Okay? We can see reactions to these levels. Look, see this green line? Caught some support on that. Had some resistance on the yellow, hit some support on the green, and then shot up and then moved up to the green on the upside. And we have some green on the downside that we got some support on. Look at this. Look at these reactions on these levels. Now, I know what you're thinking. What in the world is this madness right here? What is all of this? This is just too much. And I agree. It is way too much. That's why I don't leave it on my chart. Okay? That's why I take it off all the time. And these aren't some actual secret levels. These are just measured moves. So, in order to get these levels, these types of moves, all I do is I take a range and let me show you. This is what I started off with. So I took this range here. So we're going to do some horizontal levels, okay? Because we got some horizontal and diagonal that we can do. So I'm going to take all these candles right here, all of these blue candles, since there's a bunch of them in a row, and I'm going to drag this out all the way over. We can see we do get some hits. We do, the midpoint gets hit here. We do come down here, bounce off of it there. So, not insignificant. We can go ahead, and what I do is I will just go and I will take that. Let me make sure we're on the candle bodies. I want the candle bodies. Okay, I'm going to do that. And then I am going to take this and I'm going to clone it. Clone. And then I'm going to either move, I'm going to move one down, which I'm going to show you. We could have got this too. And then I'm going to clone and give myself one to the upside. So these are just essentially measured moves, but we can see that once we pushed up here, that midway point of the measured move resistance, okay? And then when we came back to it over here and failed to reclaim it, that ended up being resistance as well. And then we can see when we move down here, if I take the halfway point between, let me just move this a week. So this midpoint right here, this lower level here, this midpoint right here, we could just go right here and bam. There we came straight down to this level. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff, huh? What you think? Are you yawning, Mark Dutch? Are you yawning? What time is it at your place, Alexandra? Oh, good morning, Alexandra. Hey, what's going on? It's about to be the Bitcoin show, part of the cycle. Don't need alts to drop, just the Chinese ETF inflow to bring up dominance. Yes. Oh, goodness gracious. 100%. I do believe it is about to. I'm right there with you, brother. I'm right there with you. I do believe it is about to be the Bitcoin show once again, and we're about to start really getting some impulse moves to the upside. I am looking at this as well. So we have this. We do have a parallel channel here. We are currently above the midway point of that channel. The market dynamics. Yeah, market dynamics pro for chart prime. If I come down here, I think this one, no, maybe it was the market oracle. Market oracle. Where, maybe it just gotta be the dynamics. Am I just looking over? Yeah. Triangle channels. It says that this is the channel. Oh, I guess it changed it. Or is it because I have this on channel detection on macros, put it on big? Just last night, this thing had it on this. Okay. Well, no. I don't think that's it. Don't think that's it. That's okay. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. Anywho. Now, let's see. I did have some levels also. I want to get rid of this. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. So using that same range as I did with the horizontal, clone, move to the upside, midpoint. Once again, look at that. Perfect. Nailed this move up here too as well. So getting some resistance here, getting some some bearish price action right now. So we could see this come down, maybe tap the midpoint of this downwards channel here. So just keep that in mind. We have been, hitting our heads on this, a few times. So this is not an insignificant downwards resistance. So we got to keep that in mind. And then we want to see, hopefully, if it does come down here, that we do find some support. Of course, we got to look at our levels, see what else we could possibly have here. Do we have a naked point of control around here? We do have one here. That's that same one at about 64K. So wouldn't I be surprised to see that come down? We do have the red dot. I wonder if we're gonna get something like this and chop about. We'll just have to wait and see. Let's see. Oh, y'all are just talking about some West Coast stuff. Y'all are just talking about some West Coast stuff that no one cares about. No one cares about California. I really should be going. I'll give myself a few more minutes so I can try to find something. Anyways, Bitcoin power law. If you guys have never seen this, so you could do some measured moves with some parallel channels and some some rectangles. Okay, some rectangles, and add you a nice middle line on there. You just go to the settings and then go to middle line and then add you the middle line. But yeah, do that and you will see. Let's see. Let's go to the Bitstamp chart so we can get all the history. And let's zoom out a little more. So this is the power law corridor. Some kind of mathematical stuff. Still says, let's go ahead and click on this. Base case. I did add that. Okay. I need to add all of this stuff to here so I can get rid of it. Power law corridor. So right now, let me go ahead and bring up the table on this. I believe I have it turned off. Labels. There we go. Right now, it says the this is center line is 14% above us. The resistance is plus 155%. I thought it showed the price on here. Is it not? Be a lot cooler if it did. But if we just go from the current price, we could take the current price and we could go 355%. 355%. That's roughly a $300,000 Bitcoin price, which would not be at all surprising to me. Maybe a little surprising if we actually did get all the way up to 300K. I'm thinking more 200-ish. So, D Jenny, what's up? What's up? Mining fiat is the worst. Yeah. Speaking of mining fiat, I gotta go get ready to get ready for work, so I can go mine some fiat, so that I can make some money, so that I can keep the lights on, so that I can keep doing these charts and come in here and doing my best to help you guys. Good morning, you sexy, beautiful, bearded, handsome stud muffin. Alex of Crypto. I love you, my guy. Good morning, good morning. Everybody say Alex of Crypto. Let's see some otters in the chat. Throw some otters in the chat for Alex O. Of course, my chat seems like it has stopped. Or did he delete it? Where did he go? Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you, Mark Dutch, for putting the Discord link in the chat. I appreciate that, sir. I appreciate that, sir. Anyways, yeah, I gotta get going, guys. I appreciate you guys for showing up and showing out. And Alexander G, appreciate you coming in here so early in the morning. You're awesome. Yeah, there goes the otters. Much love, homie. Hey, Wave gang, what's up? Love that waves. I love waves and otters because the water otters, they just go together. Water otters. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, amazing, radical day. I will see you guys in all the chats. Don't forget that like button on your way out and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up a little bit more and be a little bit more fast-paced like this. I can't talk like this sometimes, but I do like to try to think before I speak. So do that today. Think before you speak. Also, make an impact on someone's life today. Do something good for someone today. I don't know what it is. Just something, anything. Something small even. Just do something for someone. Stop thinking about yourself for once. Just saying. It would be real nice. But anyway, love you guys. Be good. Be kind. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Have a radical day. Peace out. Ride the waves, baby. Hola, French toaster.